Metals. Where do they come from? Well, metals can be in a mineral system like Nature 2 or Pool RX. These metals, however, are not a problem. Why? They're a form of metal or a form of copper called chelated. Chelated means that there is an agent bonded to the actual copper molecule that will not allow it to stain your surfaces. So chelated metals from mineral systems are fine. Some algicides have chelated metals as well. Some algicides have copper in them that aren't chelated. So it's important to make sure that we're using chemicals and mineral systems that are chelated copper, silver, aluminum, and zinc. The two most common metals that stain pools are iron and copper. They can show up as a brown stain, as a pink stain, as a red stain. Copper can turn your pool water green. The best thing to do to prevent metal stains is to test regularly for metals. It's a good idea to test for metals every 4 to 6 weeks. We recommend coming to Riverbend Pool Supply every 4 to 6 weeks anyway to get a water test, as we can do a full spectrum test. Metals are easy to remove. You just need to find out the level of metal that you have, and then you use a chemical metal remover to get rid of it. Very simple. When testing your pool for metals, it's important to tell the person testing your water if you have a mineral system like Pool RX or Nature 2, because those metals are going to show up in the metal test. But those are appropriate to have in your pool water because those metals are chelated. That copper is a form of copper that will not be able to stain your pool surfaces. Non-chelated metals, the best range for those is 0. We don't want those in the pool at all. Metal stains happen when you have metal in your water and the pH goes too high, or you have metal in your water and you shock your pool. It's very difficult and frustrating to get rid of metal stains, and sometimes you have to drain and acid wash your pool, which is very, very expensive. So, regularly come to Riverbend Pool Supply every 4 to 6 weeks with your pool water to test for copper and iron. This concludes the section on metals. To continue with chemistry school, please see the video on oils and organic residue.